Ka Kongres kebadan hakaliang persya aha ka yin rabar tau angin jela kala Byrngem banlet mudoi hino sya Myntri Rangbah kari Narendra Modi lada ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kam thong satya ya ka kunhun tokit ke balat lut ha ka bede baka kam khayi be-aiñ ya Dewiong ha ka jela haba kedau tiru ya ke Sarkar Meghalaya baka de ka dauba halor ke jingkiu dor ke petrol bat ka diesel ha ka jela Ka Kongres kalapan pau ya kani hadian jong ka jingyelang Congress Legislative Party kabala long ha ka siba arjong kota yau. Kabala ya tai benya ya ki babun ki kam bat ka jinglong jingman hapo ka jela. Habai kren bekilat pratai kubor unong yalam ka CLP u Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ulapan tip ba ka jingyelang kala ya tai sani baha halor ka jingjur ka jingti bat ka jingkhayi tu ya Dewiong ha ka jela. Bat da kawi kasur kala rai banda wajur ya Sarkar jela bakan thong no da ka jing tokit ka bala lut halor ka ni ka kam haba Byrngem ru bala da ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kam le ekata nakaliang jong u bat ka seng Kongres kan sa Phah Tuklar no ha Myntri Rangbah kari baun le ekani Uloong ba kani ka kam be-aiñ ha Meghalaya kam deisu ka badang tip tang ha ka jela henry wat ki kot kubor hari Bangladesh kila thok kubor sapang ka jing Shalan tu ya ki marpo kendau sya kani kari kunthop na du Dewiong umausun beki u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula kunthok teng ru ya ka Sarkar jela halor ka jing tre kam ka jong ka Meghalaya lokayukta kabadai bentuk kit ya ki kam bamsam bat ong ba ka Sarkar jela kala penduko ya ka lokayukta namar ka jing bam thungsu iki dikhat ki bapura hadu mentah
independent inquiry now meaning I will ask the Prime Minister to conduct independent inquiry. I am sure he will do it. Please remember that this whole illegality that is going on and the scales of illegality, everybody is seeing it. That's the fact. So, and at the same time, this illegality is not confined within the boundaries of the state of Meghalaya. It goes beyond the boundaries of Meghalaya. Therefore, Government of India has to intervene. You know, this is something which is an eye-opener for Government of India. That means it is not only the state government who is losing, it's the nation as a whole which is losing, number one. And number two is, which is again very scary, is that they are trying to promote the culture of corruption. Today, this is the time when the government doesn't have any transparency. But at the same time, after lying to the people, they have somehow encouraged people to engage in illegal mining. And this is happening. And I'm telling it because there are enough evidence to substantiate these things. And this evidence, whenever time comes, will be placed before the authorities concerned. Then another thing, if this Bangladesh news article which was carried is pertaining to this limestone export, you know where through which this is happening? Which constituency? Mainly? Peninsula. That's Deputy CM's constituency. And yesterday somebody rang up, sir, please come and see here, truckloads of these cattle are being smuggled to Bangladesh. I said, which area? Peninsula. Huh? So this is the reality. People are telling me, people have called me yesterday. So I told them, lodge a complaint. Go and submit this complaint to the Honorable Deputy CM. With a copy to me. So this is what is happening. Whether it is illegality in respect of mining of limestone or illegality in respect of extracting of coal and water and exporting, which is beyond the actual permitted or rather declared quantity. This is what has been carried by media in Bangladesh. So, what is the name of Meghalaya? The way the government is responding to these allegations, we can only conclude beyond reasonable doubt that they want to embolden those people who are engaging in corruption. And they are therefore destroying the state, which was required to be.
Ka Kongres kelapan pauru ia ke jing Sokya halor ke jing kiudor ke petrol baka diesel kam tam ha ke jela Meghalaya ka bapalat ia ka dor kamur habai nujor baki bepat ke jela pokari. U Dr. Mukul Sangma ula kedau tibet sya ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance halor kani ke jing kiudor bat ong ba kani ka long ka weipat ka rukom simpisa na ka plajung kipat ba. Ulang ba kani ke jing penkiudor palat liam kadai na ke jing sim khajna ka ba he jong ke sarkar ka ban sakta jori upat ba nong song sudong jong ke jela khamtam uduk usuk bat kilong yeng ki belong pedeng hagayo ka kwat.
The cumulative tax which is being paid by everyone who is buying petrol or diesel, it's around 69%, around close to 70%. It's not heard in this whole world. Now, it's another way of taking money from your pocket. It's another way of putting a legal system to have I must say, it's a legal extortion. It's a legal extortion. You are not looking at the ramification. Every item that is being used by the poor and the middle class family, you look at the price rise, the resultant collateral effect due to the rise in petroleum and diesel prices. Everything that you buy today, the price of last year and the price of this year, there is a natural collateral impact on the pricing of every commodity that you buy. If Government of India doesn't listen, then the state government should. That's the true advantage of being in a federal system that we have. Now, if the union government also have the same spirit, the state government also have the same spirit, then whom will you tell to bail us out? So we become helpless.
Uni unang yalam ka Congress Legislature Party ulah thiateng eru ya ka sarkar MDA hababu jengkeli halor ke jingduna jeng kinong hikai hagi school lower primary ki ba penya da ka sarkar bat ka jingbam thong kamsu ya kinong hikai ki bala pendep ya ka MTET uyathu babun ki school managing committee bat kinong hikai jeng ki school ba pher ki badan ha ka jela ki lawan ut wan nam cha u ha ka be de ba ka jingduna jeng kinong hikai ha ki school LP jong ka sarkar uang ba kani baro kalong kumni namar ba ka sarkar kam sai ha karukom trekam kaban sakta jori kala we jung ki hebret ha ka jela ulang ba kani ka sarkar ka bamenta kala kam ba ka thong jongka ka ba khamat e ka de ka puli puthi henrei ka jing si chapat kam simlong kumta namar ka thong ka ba khamat e jokani ka sarkar ka bamenta kala kan ria no saki kam be-aiñ kan thop ka jing ti ba ka jing khayi to yo Dewiong